Well, I sent Richard out to get coffee a couple hours ago and he hasn't come back, so I'm just going to go ahead and start going without him. All right, the next step is we're going to get our lattice measured out so we can cut it and install it. And the easiest way to do that is we're going to go ahead and take our full sheet of 4x8 lattice, get up on our ladder here, and we're just going to plumb it on this side and this side only. So it hangs over on this side. Just like that. Now when you get it plumbing pretty straight up there, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and mark at the corner of the beam here your lines. Do that one at the top. And come down your ladder and just try to keep it plumb. And do the same thing here at the bottom. Okay, so now we have our two marks that we're going to need. Grab our chalk box and refind our lines. Make sure we're right there on our mark. Drag it over, find our other mark, snap our line. Now, since you already have your tools out and your sheets out, before you start cutting each individual piece, it's easier just to go ahead and go throughout the entire structure and you know, measure it out and then mark your lines. That way when you're cutting, you can just do right here cutting instead of up and down the ladder the whole time. And also one more thing to remember is that when we cut the lattice work for our roof, we had those two 4x8 sheets that we had to cut down to the 6x6 sheets. So we have two pieces that are 4 feet in height. So we can go ahead and use those for our 4-foot sections here, and we'll just stick them up there and do the same exact thing. Mark our lines at the top and bottom, and that way you avoid a waste of material. Just use what you have.